Yeah, I have a Rottweiler. It's big. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and very protected. It's always very happy hunting the huh? Hunting dog. Hunting dog. What is that? A hunting dog? I have a hunting. I have a dog. My dog is Rottweiler. Yeah, and no one can miss up because if you miss him up, I will tell them go, run, and pet. Let him go out in the gate. So see, they can come to me. Hey, Grand Marie, Marie, how are you? Wow, Grand Marie, how are you, Grand Marie? Jenna Marie, Grand Marie. Ah, nice though. Nice name. Gina Marie po. Gina Marie. Oh, okay, I'll give you a moderator. I'll give you moderator para makakonect. Okay. This is your first entry, Gina Marie, okay? I'll give you an entry, Gina Marie. At least you can include to my GCAS, okay? See, Miss Gina Marie. I'll give you a moderator already. Yeah, I give you a moderator. This is your first entry. We have a GCAS entry. Because my friend asked me if I could do February 15, supposed to be February, no, supposed to be our GCAS entry is February 14, but she asked if I can do February 15, that she can include, but I'm not, I guarantee she have no entry here yet. Gina Marie. Okay, so you have your first entry. Do you know I have my, okay, I want to tell you, because I want to make sure, do you know, hindi po ata dumikit po ako sa'yo nung na kay Ate Tess na po nagpunta. Ewan ko, kasi hindi kita nakita. O yeah? Okay, so you have your first entry for me, okay? We have a Gcash entry, yeah. Tingnan mo yung ano ko, you can check, I have a new video there. Uh, you can check after this because I'm done now soon. I have a new video there. You can play, and that's your second entry. You can comment. You can comment there. Parang dalawa na po entry ko. Really? Ewan ko. No, this is the one. Yeah, here. You go down there. Punta ka doon sa video ko, yung ano, yung tingnan ko ha. Ay, tapos na 'yun. Oh, tapos na 'yun. Tapos na 'yun siguro. Ano na lang, ganito para may entry ka ulit. Punta ka sa video ko mamaya. Pagkatapos nito, punta ka doon sa, teka, tingnan ko ha kung anong entry ko ang ipaano sa'yo. Para maka another entry ka. Sige, teka sandali. Tingnan ko sa ano ko. Kasi, kay test ba yun? O, so, yan naman. Okay, ito. Tingnan mo ito. Oh, hindi ko alam, baka na ano ko, baka nalito ko. Okay, ito, ito siya. Ay, hindi ko pala nakita mo yan? Yun, yan, punta ka niyan, tapos mag-ano ka doon. Romel, thanks po, bagong dikit. Hey, Romel! Bagong dikit, thank you. I'll give you moderator, Romel. Ah, okay. That's good, that's good. So, I'll give you moderator, Romel. Okay, Romel. Romel Artist and Gina Marie. Oh, this is your mean. Okay, I subscribe also this one. So, I subscribe two now. Two subscribe I did. Okay. Oh, yes, maybe this one. Okay, I'll give you one. Another one. Romel, Romel Gina na lang. Ilagay ko. Romel Gina because nandito man Romel Gina Marie. Okay, here. Okay? Pero, okay po. Yes, you have two entry. Pero yung ano ko, di po ako nagla-live, kantahan po. Kantahan ka. Oh, Laxmi, hi po. Si Laxmi, ayan, nandito si Laxmi. Hello, hello, Laxmi. Thank you for coming. Yes, you have two entry, but you go for my, uh, like that. Thank you. I add you more moderator. Sandali, because baka makalimutan your entry. Yeah, here. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, so you have Laxmi. Si Laxmi, yes. Wait po, OTWP. Okay, yes, here. Laxmi, okay? Yeah, Laxmi is your entry. Laxmi. Yeah, Laxmi. Okay, this is your, saan video po? Nakita mo yung may ano? May first video, yung first video. Ayan, tingnan mo ha. Ayan, tingnan mo. Yeah, here. This one. Nida's cooking show lang ang nakalagay. I thought na, I thought Nida's, akala, nice, okay po. Yeah, punta ka doon because I'll give you another entry, okay? Ilagay mo yung two, ano mo, yung, para, ano, maka four entry ka. Yes, Lakshmi, thank you for coming. How are you doing? How are you, Lakshmi? Lakshmi plus one. Okay? Plus one. If I live tomorrow, you have another entry. But you know, I am not. Sometimes I don't post, but I will do the live like just coming in. Sometimes I don't post because I get trouble. Okay, Lakshmi, subscribe. Okay. Done. Yes. Done. 93 likes, 94 likes. Hula. Yeah. So you need to go there. Okay, and thank you so much for everyone, and I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy. Remember our Jigas is very important. Okay, and once again, I appreciate your uh, results. And can you please? I want to go there into my. Okay. Thank you for no problem, but wait a second. The I want to show you the oh my goodness. Here. This one. This one. Yes. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, and thank you everyone, and I really appreciate it. And I will check the video if we have if we have the people commenting there, then I can include you for the entry. Okay, so yun lang.